Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your starting weight in MyFitnessPal. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and change your starting weight in MyFitnessPal. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to MyFitnessPal. Next, click on the bottom right hand corner where it says more, then click on goals. Now on the top hand side, you're going to see starting weight. So click on your starting weight, and then this is where you could actually go ahead and adjust your starting weight to whichever one you want. But there you have it guys, that right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your starting weight in MyFitnessPal. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.